Does backpacking feel like freedomental? Your pack suddenly feels like a bag of bowling balls strapped to your spine? Yeah, reality hits fast when the trail turns steep and your gear starts dragging you down like emotional baggage from 2008. But Dan T. Panic Smart, packing turns pain into pure adventure. Here's the truth. Most people bring way too much junk. Backup socks for your backup socks. 3 hoodies, a frying pan. Why? If your bag looks like you're moving out forever, we need to talk. Packing light isn't just a skillet survival for your shoulders. Start with the essentials. Lay everything out. Now remove half of it. Boom lighter, already. 1 shirt can last 2 days. Nobody cares. Even squirrels will respect your rugged vibe. Use lightweight gear. Multi-use tools are your best friend. Swap the giant stove for a tiny one or skip it and embrace cold food. Granola bars never judge, and water don't carry a gallon like it's a family reunion cooler. Bring a filter. Streams are nature's refill stations. Suddenly you're lighter and greener. Mother Earth approves. Organization matters too. Digging for 1 sock like it's buried treasure is chaos. Use packing cubes or bags. Separate clothes from gear from snacks. Heavy stuff stays near your back so you don't tip over like a confused turtle. Let's talk snacks. Yes, fun, no entire grocery store. Pick lightweight, energy-packed food, nuts, oats, dehydrated meals. Keep it easy. Backpacking isn't Iron Chef. Save the 5-course meal for home. Minimalism is your new best friend. Say goodbye to what-if packing. If you haven't used it in 2 days, you don't need it. Except toilet paper. Keep that. Trust me. And stay flexible. Plans change. Trails flood. Weather flips moods faster than a toddler. Adapt. Laugh. Go with it. The best adventures are the unexpected ones, the detours, not the checklist. So, here's the point. Backpacking shouldn't feel like punishment. Pack smart, move light, breathe easy. The world is way bigger when your backpack isn't. Adventure isn't about what you carry, it's about what you leave behind. Now get out there and travel light.